Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo, where girls went up into Walmart to get an oil change, went around to the clearance section, and who do I see? The Happy Planner Disney Princess looking at me. Well, I went on over to the planner section. They got some new Happy Planner accessories, got a new Day Designer 2021 and a blue sky. We're going to look at that too. And I found a planner kit. Yes, girls, a planner kit. We're going to get to all that, okay? If you like these types of videos, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and turn on the all notification, and I'll be back throughout the video. Ding ding, there's something new at Walmart. It's a new Happy Planner display right here. Not big, but it's a few things we're going to take a look at, okay? We got this pen case we're going to look at. We got this little sticker book up here. You know, we're going to look as much as we can because they got it taped on the side. They also had pockets that you could pop into your planner and also dashboards. Now, I was going to buy the dashboards, had them at the register, decided to put them down only because I just bought dashboards at Joann's the other night, 55% off, I might add. So we're going to take a little flip through. We do have a Day Designer, a blue sky planner to look at. Let you see that display. I found a planner kit, girls. Oh, you're going to like this, okay? It's packed. It's packed. So we'll get to that. So enjoy the video. If you like these types of video, please give me a thumbs up. Tell your friends about me. Share me with your planner groups. Let's keep going. Now, girls, I have to ask you, has anybody seen any of this new Happy Planner release at their Walmart? Because this is the first time I'm seeing it. And I also want to know, have you seen any of the Happy Planner Disney release in the clearance section? I'm going to give you a heads up. There is a lot of Happy Planner Disney sticker books still on the shelves in the planner section here right now. So we might want to keep our eye in that clearance section to see if it goes to clearance next. Now, I'll keep my eye out. If I see something, I'll let you know. You need to be following me on Instagram and Facebook, because when I see things like that and I'm out, I use a videotape them and I put them up on my Instagram and my Facebook ASAP. So if you have, let me know and I'll keep an eye out for it as well. Now, when I picked up the dashboards in the pocket, both of those, when I scanned them, they were both priced at $7.84, I believe. So I don't know if everything here was $7.84. I'm thinking it might be. So, you know, just keep an eye out for that as well. That's not a bad price at all. Okay, I want you to see what the pockets look like. So once I got home and I paid for it, I wanted you to see what the 6 pockets look like. So that is one of them for $7.84. That's not bad at all. That's silver. Isn't that beautiful? All of them have quotes on them except for one. So that one kind of reminds me of one I've seen before, and this one too. But the rest of them look like they're all new original looks. So just wanted to share that with you. Hey girls, you know Miss Yo-Yo, she's up in Walmart doing what she do. Okay, I'm trying to find things. This is what I do. I'm walking on by the planner. Is that a planner set? It's a planner set, planner kit. Got the whole thing in there, okay? 12-month planner. We got 16 sheets of stickers. We got washi tape. We got paper clips. We got 12 pens and some more, okay? So check this out up in Walmart. Child, I don't know, Walmart trying to do the thing, okay? They trying to give everybody a run for their money. Now, I only saw 2 different versions of this planner set up in here, but I went online and there's 3 different versions. The price on it is $19.84 for the whole thing. But a whole thing, okay? That is a bargain. That's a great little starter set right there. Okay, now I'm going to show you this Day Designer planner. I'm going to do a little flip through of a Day Designer and a blue sky. This way you know what the layout looks like. Because usually when they have a planner in a medium, a small, and a large, they usually have the same layout in all the planners. So that's why I'm just giving you something so you can get a visual, okay? Now, if you like these types of videos, you know what a girl going to say. Hit that thumbs up. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up. I'll wait for you. Enjoy the video. I'll be back. Okay, now one of the things that I gravitate towards with the blue sky and with this Day Designer is the fact, first of all, the Day Designers give you stickers. Second of all, They have the week start on a Monday, which I wish more planners did that. I know Happy Planner, the only ones they do it on is the teacher planner, but I love the fact that they have lines on the weekly and on the monthly. I think they designed it. I mean, Blue Sky does too, but I know they designed it. I love that. I think that's such a great feature. If you like that, tell me if you would like for it to be lined on the weekly and the monthly. Now this one right here is the Blue Sky. I love this. Blue's my favorite color. So, but these little daisies on here just makes it for me. Look at that. They're lined. They're lined in the weekly. I love that. This blue one, and there's a yellow one that I have fallen in love with. If I had a reason to buy it, I would have bought it, but I don't have a reason to buy another planner, okay? But I just love this layout, and I love the color of this. Okay, one of my other obsessions, besides planner, paper, okay, everything, are pens, okay? And I'm obsessed with pens, and I saw these pens. First of all, I'm obsessed with the S-Gel pens, but I saw these white Jelly Roll pens, which I'm going back to get, okay? You've got to check these out. $8. There's 5 pens in the set. I think they come in a bold tip and a medium and a fine tip. Woo, girls. Hey, my girls, it's Yo-Yo. Well, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my videos. If you like videos like this, please make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on the all notification, okay? If you want to see more videos like these, you can check out my other playlist. And don't forget, follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Yo-Yo